Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is starting off a behind the sound series on the brand new Lamborghini Huracan Evo. It is going to be something incredibly special, guys. This is going to be literally insane. You guys wouldn't have seen something of this level on YouTube on a Lamborghini Huracan. This is going to be so special. We've got a full system going in. So we've got front speakers being upgraded with the Audison Thesis range. We've also got 2 subs going in behind the seats. Plus, we've also got 3 incredible amplifiers. So today's video is talking you through all of that and much more. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, guys, but also make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got a massive 10K subscriber giveaway. That is in the link for that is in the description below, guys. So hopefully you guys go check that out and make sure you subscribe because this is going to be absolutely awesome. So what we're doing at the moment is we've done the initial inspection. We've washed the car, prepped it for coming to our workshops. Now we're actually doing the initial inspections and then starting the strip down. In terms of what's actually involved on a system, basically this area here is going to be taken up by a lot of amplifiers. We've got 3 amplifiers going in. The 3 amplifiers are the Audison Thesis range. We've got an Audison Thesis Duo, another one of them, so 2 Audison Thesis Duos, as well as an Audison Thesis Uno going in. Basically running a fully active front end, plus we've also got the actual subs running off the Uno. It's going to be absolutely insane. We've got loads of power going in. We're also using processing power and using digital signals to control the whole system, and we'll do a final tuning video where we actually go through the tuning process on the actual system as well. So the 3 amplifiers are going to be located in the front tub. We're going to run cables alongside into the actual vehicle directly to new components alongside manufacturer wiring. The amount of work that is going to be going on this system is insane. The strip out is going to be incredible as well. Front tub is already out. What we're going to be doing is stripping down doors, seats out, dashboard out, center console out, roof out. Every part of the interior is going to be out of the car so we can acoustically soundproof the vehicle, but also what we can do is actually build far better acoustic environment for the new sound system to work in. So inside this door is going to be a stock look. We're taking out the factory Lamborghini speaker, upgrading that with the Audison Thesis 6.5-inch sax. Plus, we're taking out the tweeter from a stock location, going to be building custom A pillars to house the Audison Thesis tweeters, actually directed and angled directly to our customer. Plus, we've also got going behind the seats is those 8-inch subs that can be directly behind the seats, guys. It's going to absolutely kick. And in between, we're going to have something a little bit special, which is a little bit of a surprise, but stay tuned to the very end, guys, because there's going to be a final video, obviously going through everything in a load more detail. In terms of the solution as well, while the car's in with us, we're also adding a front and rear dash camera solution, so the vehicle is not only going to be protected while the vehicle is parked, but also while on the road as well. Really nice system. We'll do a full separate video on the thinkware U1000 front and rear dash cam that we're installing, but today's video is a little bit of a product overview, getting you guys into the original first steps onto the system. So the pre-checks have all been done, vehicles being washed and ready and cleaned, all ready for us to crack on with the work. Front tub is being stripped, so we've got quite a few of us working on the car to get the system done at our deadline it is. What we've actually done is we've got the products themselves, the 3 amplifiers are actually on their way directly from Audison in Italy. The Italian factory are doing a special order for us to get these products in at this time. So they're actually being prepped as we speak, and they're going to be delivered to us next week sometime. And then we'll be cracking on with the rest of the install and the wiring side of things. But we've got fabrication involved on this system. We've got an immense amount of wiring and some absolutely amazing kit going into the car. So I'm really excited. The team are really excited. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to hear the finished product. It's going to be literally possibly one of the best sounding Lamborghini Huracans in the world. So make sure you guys have subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any more awesome content on its way for this one. And also stay tuned on our Instagram profile. We also upload stories day in and day out of installs that we're doing, and this is going to be live directly on the channel at the moment. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.